Good morning, students. Hope you have a good day. So, today we are here to revise chapter 8, Keeping Fit and Healthy, and chapter 9, Keeping Clean. Now, today we will look how we can keep ourselves fit and healthy, and what are the ways by which we can keep ourselves clean, and why should we keep ourselves clean. So, let's start the revision. First, we will know how we can take care of ourselves. Okay, let's see. The first point says sleep. Now, sleep is the most important thing which we should have. It is saying early to bed, early to rise. Plenty of sleep helps you to concentrate. Okay, so we should always sleep early at night and rise early in the morning. This will help us keep our mind fresh and it will also help us concentrate. So, we should sleep at time. Then second point is nails. We should always trim our nails weekly and we should keep them short and clean. Exercise. Exercise keeps us fit. We should play outside as much as possible. Don't sit and play on the computer or TV. Watch or watch TV too often. Now, we should not sit and play in the room, sit on the computer and play video games. By that, we cannot keep ourselves fit. To keep ourselves fit, we need to exercise physically. Okay, so we should do physical work. We should play outside in the park or in the garden, wherever you want, but outside. Playing, we should always play outdoor games. Then, homework. We should also do our homeworks on time, properly on time. Then it is teeth. By brush teeth early every morning and night to keep them shining and bright. Visit your dentist regularly. Now we should always brush our teeth twice a day, and first of all we should brush our teeth in the morning, and secondly we should brush our teeth at before going to sleep at night. Okay, we should always regularly visit our dentist so that he checks our teeth, that if there is any problem or not. Then hair. Wash your hair often. Keep it neat by styling and brushing. We should always wash our hair. Why? Because when we go out, what happens? Dust and germs settle on our hair and they cause them to loosen. They damage our hairs. So we should often wash our hair and keep it clean. Hygiene. Bath or shower and change underwear daily. Wash hands after visiting the toilet and before eating. We should have bath or shower daily. We should wash our hands before and after coming from toilet and before eating anything. Okay, then diet. Eat a healthy and balanced diet. Choose healthy snacks such as fruits instead of sweets. Okay, so we should not eat junk foods. We have already discussed that junk foods are not good, too good for our health. They are not good for our health. So we should avoid eating junk food. We should eat proper healthy foods. Okay, like fruits, vegetables, green leafy vegetables, so they will keep us fit and healthy. We should always drink a lot of water. We should drink a glass of milk every day so that it keeps our bones strong. So these were the things by which we can take care of ourselves. Now let's see how can keep ourselves clean. Wash your hands after. Now we should always wash our hands after playing with pets, using the bathroom, sneezing, blowing your nose and coughing, touching a cut or open sore, playing outside and eating. See, this dog is after playing with the dogs, we should always wash our hand, and after using the washroom also, after sneezing, see this man is using a handkerchief, so we should use a clean handkerchief to cuff and sneeze, and after sneezing or coughing we should always wash our hand. Then after coming from playing outside, we should always wash our hand. Then after eating or before eating also we should wash our hands. Then keeping clean myself and environment. Now we can keep ourselves and environment clean, and environment also clean. Let's see how. Wash your hands before each meal. They can carry germs to your body through the food you eat. Now, I've already told you that if you eat with a dirty hand, what will happen? We will take germs and bacteria inside our body, which will affect our health. Then we should have bath every day, and this way we can keep our body clean. Then always flush the toilet after use. This is a good habit. We should always flush the toilet so that the hygiene is maintained. Now, when you sneeze, cover your mouth with a handkerchief. We should always use a clean handkerchief to for if we cough and sneeze, we should use a clean handkerchief. Keep your surrounding neat and clean. We should also keep our surrounding, our environment neat and clean. We should not dirty them and throw the waste material in the dustbin. We should not throw the wrappers or waste materials here and there on the road or on the floor. We should use dustbin to throw the waste material. See, we can keep ourselves fit and healthy by doing some exercises, by running, by swimming, and by doing some exercises. Okay, so by doing these things we can keep ourselves fit. Now we will discuss worksheet on worksheet on page number 74 of your science book. Let's discuss worksheet 3. Now, what does it say? Question number A. 3 students wrote different answers to the same question asked by their teacher. Now, a teacher was there and there were 3 students. Okay, now a teacher asked a question and all the 3 students gave different answers. Now let's see what question did the teacher ask and what answers do the students give. Question asked by the teacher: what is our most important need? We have already read about it. What is our most important need? What we need to most importantly. Okay. We also read about the 3 basic things that we need. Let's read what 3 students wrote. Ankit wrote, our most important need is food. Sumit wrote, our most important need is friends. Nikita wrote, our most important need is toys. Now, the question is, who do you think is correct? Why do you think so? Okay, so 3 different answers were given by 3 different students. Now we have to tell which one is the correct. Now let's see what Ankit wrote. Ankit wrote, our most important need is food. So food is our most important need. Yes, it is a most important need. Now when we have studied our basic needs, what are the 3 basic needs that we need? It is home. First of all, it is food, clothes and home. We need food, clothes and home to live. Okay, they are our basic needs, but food is the most important thing that we need. We need food to live and grow. If we will not get food, we cannot live, we cannot grow, we cannot remain fit, we cannot remain healthy, we cannot do any work. So our most important need is food. So Ankit wrote that our most important need is food. Now let's see what the other students said. Sumit wrote, our most important need is friends. Now, do you think that friends are the most important need without whom we cannot live? No, of course not. Friends are not the most important need we need, because friends are the social support. They help us socially. They support us socially. They are the social support. They enjoy with us. They give us mental help, and they can also give us physical help, but they are not the most important thing without whom we cannot live. We can live without friends also, but we cannot live without food. Food is the most important need to live and grow. We need food to grow. We need food to live. But we do not need friends to live. We do not need friends to grow. Friends are the social support. So, our most important need is not friends, okay? Now, Nikita wrote, our most important need is toys. Now, do you think toys are the most important need, is the most important need that we need to live? No, not at all. We cannot live and grow with the help of toys. There are many unfortunate children who live without toys. There are poor children who cannot afford toys. So are they not living? Yes, of course they are living. Then we just need food to live and grow. We cannot eat toys. We cannot use toys to live. We cannot have toys to grow. Okay, so we cannot live and grow with the help of toys. So toys are also not the most important things that we need. Neither friends are the most important things that we need. So what is the most important thing that we need? Food. Of course, food. Now let's see, who do you think is correct? Why do you think so? Now, it is who do you think is correct? Yes, of course, Ankit is correct. Why? Because we do not need friends. We do not, and neither we need uh, uh, um, we need toys to grow. So Ankit is correct, and Ankit told correct that we need food to live and grow. Food is the most important thing that we need. Why? Because we need food to live and grow. See, it is written, why is food necessary? Now, all living beings need food to live. Yes, of course, all living beings need food to live. We cannot live without food. Food is necessary to build body tissue, repair worn out tissue, and to grow. So, food is very important for our body. We need it to grow. We need to build our body tissues. So, food is the most important thing. It is necessary to gain strength and fight disease causing germs, produce antitoxins. Some foods help us produce antitoxins to fight with the germs and bacteria. Okay, so we and it food also gives us strength to do work. For the functioning of all the parts of the body, we need food. We need a balanced diet. Okay, so food is the most important thing, and Ankit told correct that food is the most important thing that we need. Now, here Kriti wants to play with her friends. She knows playing is a good exercise. Yes, of course, playing is a good exercise. Playing outside, playing outdoor games is a good exercise which will keep you fit. Help her to reach to the park so that she can join her friends. Now, here path has been given. Now, you have to help Kriti. This is Kriti. She wants to play with her friends, but she does not know how to go. Now let's find out the path. Okay, let's find out how she can go and play with her friends. Now let's take Kriti to her friends. Now Kriti will go on from here and here, and then she will turn right, and then she will go straight, and then she will come to her friends. So this is the path which Kriti will follow and will reach her friends so that she can play with her friends. Okay, so this was the path which Kriti has to follow in order to reach her friends. Now C, question number C says, name 4 things we use to keep ourselves clean. Now, what are the things that we need to keep ourselves clean? How can we keep ourselves clean, our body clean? We can keep ourselves clean with the help of soap. SOAP, soap. Second thing we can use is brush. We use is brush, BRUSH, brush. Then nail cutter, NAIL, nail cutter, CUTTER, nail cutter. And fourth is comb, COMB. We need soap to keep our body clean. We use brush to keep our teeth clean. We use nail cutters to trim our nails and keep them short and clean. We use comb to keep our hair clean. Okay, we should regularly comb our hair, and we should always wash our hair. Okay, so that it remains clean. Now here it is given in question number D, tick the picture that is showing the right way to cross a busy road. Now here two pictures have been given, in which in one of the picture, see, people are walking on the zebra crossing, and in one the child is walking just in the middle of the road. Now who do you think is crossing the busy road in a right way? Of course, first picture. People in the first picture are crossing the road in a right way. Why and how? Because they are using zebra crossing. Now zebra crossing is made to cross the road when it is busy, and so that we do not face any problem and we do not meet any accident. So we use zebra crossing, and zebra crossing is made to for the people who to cross the road, who are walking on their feet, who walk by on their feet. They use zebra crossing. So we should always use zebra crossing to cross the road. But this child is not using the zebra crossing. He is just walking in the middle of the road. He can meet with accidents, okay, which is not good. So this is the right way to cross the road. Now we will see how we can keep personal hygiene for a healthy tomorrow. Now it is saying, a person might be expert in any field, but without cleanliness his life is a waste. Of course, if we do not keep ourselves clean, our life is a waste. Why? Because we will always become ill, we will become sick. So what is the need of being expert in every field, until and unless we keep ourselves clean, we remain fit, we remain healthy? How can we enjoy our life without being healthy, without being fit, without keeping ourselves clean? So personal hygiene is very important for us. Personal hygiene will keep you healthy and physically mental. Take care of your body. It's the only place you live. We live in our body, okay? So we should keep our body clean, okay? We should always keep our body clean so that we remain fresh, we remain healthy, we remain fit. So we should always take care of the personal hygiene. Now we will discuss some questions related to the chapters. Now question is, write true or false. Question number 1 is, before every meal we should wash our hands. Yes, of course, before every meal we should wash our hands. It is true, TRUE, true. Why? Because so that germs and bacteria sitting on our hand get washed away, and it does not go inside our body and does not harm our health. So we should always wash our hand before every meal. Second is, after bathing use wet towel to wipe your body. Yes, we should use no, not at all. We should not use wet towel to wipe our body. We should always use dry towel to wipe our body. Wet towel will just not help to keep our body dry, and wet towel will not help us, so we should use dry towel so that our body remains dry and clean. Okay. Third is, we play indoor games in swimming pool. No, not at all. Swimming pool play is a kind of outdoor game. So it is false. 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 And this is also false. 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 After bathing, we should use dry towels. And swimming pool is an outdoor game. Okay, so it is false. Let's see question number 4. It says, we should always keep our back straight. Yes, we should always keep our back straight. So it is true. It helps us maintain posture. Okay. Then, there is no need to flush the toilet every time when you use it. No, not at all. We should always flush the toilet after we use it. We should always flush it so that it remains clean, so that we maintain a healthy environment for us as well as for others. So, this is false. We should always flush the toilet after we use it. Now 6 is, we should bite nails to keep them short. Not at all. We should always trim the nail with the help of nail cutter, so to keep them short. So this is false. We should not bite nails. Why? Because the germs and dirts or bacteria sitting inside our nails. When we bite nails, when we put our finger or nails inside our mouth, what happens? What can happen? Germs and bacteria can go inside our body and they will harm us. They will affect our body and we will fall sick. So we should not bite our nails to keep them short. We should always trim them with the help of nail cutter. Now question number 7 says, do not pluck flowers from the garden. True, it is true. We should not pluck flowers. They remain very beautiful in the plants only. When we pluck them, they also get hurt and it does not look nice. Okay, we ruin the environment. So do not pluck flowers from the garden. Let it grow and bloom. Question number 8 is, always write on the walls. See, this girl, small little girl, is writing on the walls. Is it looking nice to you all? No, not at all. The wall is not looking good. In order to keep our house clean, we should not write anything on the walls. So this is false, because it is telling us to write on the walls, but we should never write on the walls. So this is false. This statement is false. Hope you have enjoyed the revision. Hope you have understood things, how we can keep ourselves clean, how we can keep ourselves fit and healthy. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.